have this Rolls Royce Cullinan. This is a brand new car one of our customers bought. He refuses to drive it stock like this. It's a nice car, but it is to us generic. So we're gonna be changing this up. It's gonna be a full wrap, crazy wheels. Everything is coming. Right now we're getting it torn down for the wrap. There's a lot of stuff to do on this car. It's a big car, a lot of chrome, a lot of body to wrap. So stay tuned, watch us wrap this thing. It's gonna be a full conversion.
Yeah, anything Armenian is cuss word, so delete it, yeah.
Yeah, whatever you hear in Armenian, just go beep, beep, beep.
All right, all good. Tire repair. This is Vic's older car that he used to drive. Now he's driving a URUS, of course, so he still has this bad boy.
Favorite build this year? So what's your favorite build, Moses, this year?
I'm trying to think.
I think the McLaren that we're going to release on YouTube, one of my favorites. It's a really dope McLaren, very different. You guys will see it. Who works the hardest from the team? Definitely not Moses.
Me!
No.
That's me.
It's not this guy.
100%.
Fastest build this year. Fastest? I don't know what we've done that's...
C63, maybe?
Wide body?
Wide body one?
That was pretty fast for a wide body wrap, full build. I would say it's pretty fast. Our YouTube channel official name is RDB Los Angeles, but if you go search RDB on YouTube or whatever, you'll find this. This was our 100,000 plaque. We're at like 320 right now. It's tough to get a lot of followers without doing free shout outs and stuff like that. Rolls Royce Cullinan, worth a purchase. Rolls Royce Cullinans are very big, very expensive. I prefer lots of other cars over that, but I don't know. Are you guys doing any of the new Bentley GT? We haven't got one in yet. They just dropped, so we're very excited to do them.
Soon, we're gonna get one soon.
How old is RDB? Tough. It's a very long family business, over 35 years, but RDB, the name, was about 10 years ago. BBS or HRE? BBS is a great wheel company. I had them on my M3, obviously. HRE is great too, so tough to say, but HRE definitely does more custom stuff right now, but BBS is always OG. What days do you film for the channel? 3 days out of the week, usually, sometimes more, but it's on and off days, we're not sure. What's next for Vic's URUS? Maybe a color change, we'll see. What celebrity do you want to work with? It's not like we sit here and want a celebrity, you know, we get a lot of guys that know of us and want to come to us, so that's kind of how it goes with us. We don't reach out. Do you think SALOMONDRIN contributed a lot of followers to us? Yes, of course. We love Alejandro. We have his car here, we're finishing it up. Biggest celebrity you've worked with? Our favorite and biggest, I think, is right here. Marshmallow brand is insane, and it's only the beginning for that. What's your top 5 cars? This is a good question. URUS, one of the best cars ever made. AVENTADOR, 720S, McLaren, Rolls Royce Wraith, Range Rover.
Oh, Range Rover. Hold on, let me plug this in.
What is it? Bentayga or URUS? URUS,
100%.
That's not even a question, guys.
For sure, URUS.
How many cars do you do a month?
Wow, it's hard to count.
Probably
So many.
40 to 50, at least.
Knows more about cars.
Who knows more about cars?
You know more about
Vic,
cars.
for sure, 100%.
Wow, I thought you'd argue that with me.
No, I can't.
Who's driven the fastest? Probably this idiot over here, Sarkis.
We can't put you in the camera because it's going to take up the whole screen.
What was Moses' first car?
89 Toyota Corolla.
Yes, you're on the live stream right now. URUS or SVR? SVR is a great car. URUS is... I think once people get into the URUS more, they're going to realize how great of a car that is. I mean, I'm all for URUS on that one.
RDB 5-star, can I help you?
Yeah, wild. We're getting phone calls now.
Yes, what's the question? Dude, stop this live. I'm sorry.
We're off already.
Yeah, good, because it's not going to stop. It's going to keep ringing.
So these tires were ordered at 11:30 a.m. this morning. However, the delivery company couldn't deliver these, so we had a special transportation company just dropped these off right now. So we're gonna start mounting them, balancing them, getting them ready for this Cullinan, so we can wrap this car up today.
RDB Auto Care, we're testing out the tire shine right now on this Rolls Royce. Apply a little bit, smells really good. If you guys were only here to smell this thing smells amazing. This is formulated to not throw out streaks of nasty stuff onto your car, onto your wrap or whatever. There's also overly excessive tire shines, I think, where it makes it look completely wet. I'm not into that look either, so just slightly new is what we're after for the look. Having fun there? Mm-hmm. You getting every single spoke, man?
No.
It's the RDBLA treatment.
All right, guys, so this wrap right here is a satin white, okay? One of the toughest wraps to clean. This is our quick auto detailer right here. We got our microfiber towel. And right here, as you can see, there's a lot of fingerprints. We just finished installing a bunch of stuff, and unfortunately, one of our guys' fingers were a little dirty. So, we'll take care of that right now. How do you like the wheel cleaner? So that wheel cleaner, you're actually supposed to spray all over the wheel, and then you could throw water on it, and then it takes all the dirt off. You're doing it the hard way, and then you also happen to choose the best wheels for it, which has I don't know how many spokes.
And you're not using the right rag.
That too. You're also supposed to use RDB Care. Cullinan. You guys already know we did the first modified Cullinans out there. We did some white, we did some painted work, we did some black, matte black, 24s, 26s, Mansory wheels, two-tone, blue and white two-tone. We've done a lot of Cullinans. They've been doing some Cullinans out there, some really nice ones, either all blacked out or some colorful ones. We've been waiting to do something really epic. This Cullinan right here is our answer. This thing is sitting on 26-inch wheels. The full car is wrapped in laminated satin white. As you can see, almost the entire car is wrapped in white. It's frozen. A little bit of gloss black on the entire front grille. Some of the emblems on there. The wheels are also gloss white. We did a little bit of gloss white and full satin white on this big beast. Even on 26s, we lowered this thing. Sits amazing. Right now, it is in low mode, so it does camber a bit, but this is perfect for video pictures that we just did. But it goes up when you drive, so still functional, drives good on 26s. The interior is also all white. The outside and the inside match. The leather, as you can tell, is not really glossy, it's more satin. So right now, all that matches to the outside, which is crazy. So satin white inside and out. The B-roll that you guys just saw on this Cullinan was shot with the new iPhone 11 Pro Max, actually. It's been a terrible time setting it up while I'm working, so take a day off when you're getting a new iPhone. Right now I'm still playing with it, but the camera and the video on it is really, really nice. It's nighttime right now, and it takes pictures really well. It does video good. The fisheye lens on there, the wide angle is crazy. So I like it a lot so far. Other than that, I don't know yet what it does. We'll see. Let us know what you think about the B-roll with this, as opposed to using a regular camera that we use. But yeah, let us know also what you think about this Cullinan. Let us know if you like this all white crazy look, or if you still prefer that all black look. But yeah, On to the next one. The new RDB keychains have dropped online. So the front, as you can see, this is a 3D design rubber keychain, okay? So it's flexible, it's not gonna be hard on you, it's not gonna break. The back of it is the checkered flag look. So we didn't want to put any advertising and stuff like that. Just some basic cool design. So checkered flag, RDB, comes with the whole key ring, everything. I have it on my Lamborghini URUS key right here. Looks amazing, I love it. I hate bulky keychains and I think this is really dope. They're online right now, $8. Go online, order it. Every order, purchase online, no matter what you guys are ordering, is going to come with this free sticker. It's printed on vinyl, just like wraps that we use on the car, so it's very safe to go on wraps, windows, whatever. Super easy, pull it off, stick it. It has the RDB, checkered flag, repair design build, Los Angeles on there. So free sticker with every purchase on the website. As you can see, the shirt I'm wearing is also the same as a sticker. The back of it is that big checkered rectangle. RDB Auto Care line is also dropping. We're gonna be launching that officially soon, but if you go on rdbautocare.com, you're gonna be able to sign up. You'll sign up and you'll get an email notification as soon as we're ready. But yeah, this is gonna be epic. This is our next chapter with RDB. We've been in paint work for over 35 years, wraps for 10 plus years, so we know our paint and wraps, and all this stuff is going to work exceptionally well on your vehicle. So we're very, very passionate about this stuff, and this stuff is gonna work really great. It's gonna have lots of color, lots of fun. We're gonna be introducing more products as time goes by. These are the stuff we tested out already and we're very confident with it. So anything you need, rdbla.com, you get all this stuff, rdbautocare.com to sign up for the auto care stuff.